Every time when you're winning, I want you to pay attention to the one that doesn't clap. You have 100 friends. They call you all the time. You invite them for parties. You go clubbing. But whenever there's something going on in your life, they will not clap for you. And when I'm talking about they are not clapping, I don't mean that they're not clapping at all. There are some of you who will come and, yeah, thank you, well, congratulations, and they're happy for you. Then there are some of them who be, they're looking the other side. They're clapping, but they're looking the other side. Those are the ones. Now, you guys need to understand something very powerful. The people that is always around us are only comfortable when we are not doing anything that is challenging for them. So you're doing a small job. You have your little job. You could be a builder, you could be a welder. So you go to work, you come back home, you make your dinners, you invite your friends, and sometimes you talk a little bit, you go for a movie. That's what they want. That's all it is. Anything beyond that is going to be very scary for those people. It is going to feel like you are pushing these people subconsciously to dig very deep in within themselves, to cultivate their gifts, to make themselves go to the next level. And they're not ready to do that. Now, in most cases, if you're a person who is ambitious, you're not ambitious because you're competing with people. You're motivated because sometimes you go out there, you see, this. Sometimes you see people, they have just bought a new house. You see people that moved into a new flat, whatever, a new beautiful apartment. Oh, you go there, sometimes, how did you do it? How did you do that? How did you get there? And you're a person who like genuinely wants to grow and evolve. And sometimes you're not really happy where you are. You want to get out there and make it happen and get at least comfortable in life. And then you're going to see a lot of people that are going to feel like you're out competing them. So how come that, we used to see her taking the bus, you know? We all knew her. She used to take the bus. Now all of a sudden she bought a car. She must be a drug dealer. We used to see him. We used to see him renting in a certain neighborhood. Now he owns a house. Look at this flat, beautiful house. How did he get there? No, it's not possible. So you're going to make those housewarming parties. Yeah, guys, come and celebrate with me. I have something going on. Come, I have a small party. I organize a small party. They will not come. Oh, I have work today. I'm going to be busy on the weekend. I'm taking my children to the circus. I'm going this direction. They are going to find every excuse they can to make sure that they don't join you. Because you know why? Secretly, what you're telling them is like, it's possible. You're telling them it's possible. Now you see, some years ago, I embarked on this journey to start sharing and growing myself, creating videos. So, and I remember there was this friend of mine, one of the guys I used to work with at the time. So I told him, I've started this thing on YouTube. You can go there, look at my channel, see what you think. The guy was like, oh, those YouTube, no, those things they're wasting time. Those things, they don't work. This person really, let me read it. You have a friend, and then you have a dream. And you're very interested to share that dream with your friend. What do you think if this one, this? What do you think if this and this? There's one time I was sitting with somebody and I asked him, how do you think your life will look like in 3 years' time? In 3 years' time, I will be having a job somewhere. Maybe I will leave this company and I go to get another job. So that's the only thing he told me. I was like, okay, no judgment. I don't judge people. Because in my mind, I was waking up at the time and I was thinking that there has to be better things. There has to be something better. So my family, we had a group at that time. So we used to share. I used to share some videos. Hey guys, I will reach this video. I will reach that video. Now, me, what I didn't know at the time was that the more videos I shared, the more I was triggering some people. Because I was talking about narcissism. And narcissism was already in the family. So me, I didn't know that subconsciously I was actually triggering their wounds. So that's when I started hearing things such as, you have to, we have to. So there was all waiting for the right moment, you know. You see, there's one thing what I've realized when dealing with toxic people. It is just going to be a matter of time and they're going to expose themselves. It doesn't matter how it is. That is just the wiring in their head. It is going to be inevitable. You will not see it if you're not awakened. You don't know what it is. But when you have mastered this whole thing of what goes on with the narcissist, it will be very difficult to deny. You will see it. They was waiting for the right moment. So one day I remember the narcissist parent was like, as I see, you must have something wrong with your head. I say, what? So this is what this individual thought all along. The brainwashing, because this whole thing of narcissism is conditioning. So for me, it was very surprising that I had just discovered narcissism, and here was another narcissist actually exposing themselves, just because I confronted them with the truth. So I can promise you, ladies and gentlemen, if you're dealing with toxic people, it doesn't matter if it's your parent, the closest person to you, they will never celebrate you. They will not clap. You're going to wake up one day, you will win in life. The people who are going to clap for you are going to be complete strangers. There will be people you have even never met, you have never seen. They will come and clap for you. Those so-called people you call your friends, they are not going to clap at any cost. They will not clap for you. So if you have a person, the video I'm doing now is to motivate you guys, because I want to make you understand. When you start growing and evolving and stepping back into your authentic version, greatest version, there is people that you're going to be triggering along the way. There is people that you will be triggering along the way. They don't want to see that. They do not want to see it happen for you. And I'll even surprise you more. You will even sometimes discover that those people that are refusing to clap for you, they are doing way better than you. You just have a little project, you put your faith, your belief in it. You have got this brother of yours who is living in a mansion. They have their own family, they are driving Bentleys. They are going to refuse to congratulate you on a very small success. Because you see, let me tell you something, chosen one. When you're a chosen person, a lot of people can see your destiny before you do yourself. They can see that this person is going somewhere. They are heading somewhere. And wherever they are heading, they are going to leave you behind. So what those people now do, they are going to do everything they can in their power to make sure that they delay your progress. That is exactly what they are going to do. They are going to try to delay you by dragging you back into that little spot where you wasn't doing anything important. The little box where they would still control you and have access to your energy. That's all it is. When you are celebrating something in life, very important to know, you're going to see people who are going to genuinely clap for you. They are so excited, they are so happy. Then you're going to have people who are going to clap for you, but they're going to clap for you in slow motion. It's like we have talking and we have got whispering. The person can talk, you know that they are talking, but the person can also whisper. Okay? So you're going to have people that are going to actually clap in slow motion. Those people, in some cases, you may even have people that are not going to clap at all. Those people are not your friends. Waking up makes you realize so many things. It makes you realize the path that you've been leading and the way your life has been moving in directions that was not meant for you. You will start to understand this the moment you start winning, because now you're going to start to see everything is against you because you're winning. That's all it is, ladies and gentlemen. The ones who will never clap for you, understand this. They are not your friends. They are only going to be your friends when you're doing lesser than them. They're not going to like you, and they will not like it when you're doing better than them. Okay? That's an experience that is going to happen to you guys, my chosen ones. Maybe some of you have already seen it. Like the page, share the video, subscribe. You know I do love and appreciate your support. Please book a session with me, donate or support my channel if you want to. Everything you need, you will find it in the description below. And until then, I'll see you guys in my next one. There's almost signing out. Much love and blessings. Peace.